The Rockford Fosgate R165X3 speakers are a popular entry-level upgrade for drivers wanting better sound than factory systems. But before you buy, it's important to know the real limitations these speakers bring. Today on Auto and Moto, we're breaking down 5 reasons why you might want to rethink choosing the R165X3 for your build. First, the sound quality is very basic. While they are an improvement over stock speakers, the overall audio experience is still flat. The mids sound thin, the highs can be overly bright, and the low end lacks punch without a subwoofer. If you're chasing rich, full-range sound, these will leave you underwhelmed. Second, power handling is limited. Rated at just 45 watts RMS, the R165X3 can't handle significant amplification. If you plan to pair them with a strong aftermarket amp, you risk distortion or speaker damage at higher volumes. They're best suited for low-power systems or basic head unit upgrades only. Third, materials are entry-level. These speakers use lightweight polypropylene cones and basic silk dome tweeters. While affordable, they don't offer the durability, stiffness, or refinement found in slightly more expensive models. Over time, especially in harsh temperature environments, wear and tear becomes noticeable. Fourth, installation quality matters a lot. The R165X3 speakers are fairly shallow and easy to fit, but if you don't seal them properly or use sound-deadening material, you'll lose a significant amount of sound quality. In basic installs, they can sound hollow or weak without extra effort. Fifth, better alternatives now exist in the same price range. Brands like Infinity, JBL, and even Polk offer entry-level speakers with stronger bass response, smoother highs, and better overall clarity, often without a major jump in cost. When you compare real-world performance, the R165X3 feels outdated. In conclusion, while the Rockford Fosgate R165X3 offers a budget-friendly upgrade over factory systems, serious compromises in sound quality, power handling, durability, and overall value make it worth reconsidering. If you want a real step up in your audio experience, better options are easily available today.